She stopped texting you. And now you want her to miss you. Not just a little. You want her thinking about you constantly, wondering what you're doing, why you disappeared, even if she's not interested right now. But here's the truth. Chasing her will push her further away. What you're about to learn changes everything. These are psychological triggers that make someone miss you deeply. Pay attention to this because most people get this wrong. First, you need to disappear. Not forever, just enough. You stop replying instantly. You stop being predictable. Why? Because your absence creates space, and space creates curiosity. Curiosity turns into missing. Imagine this. She's used to your attention every day. Then suddenly, silence. Her brain starts asking questions. Where did he go? Why isn't he texting? That's the beginning. But here's the mistake. You don't disappear emotionally. You disappear strategically. There's a difference. Next, you upgrade your life. Not for her, for you. You start doing more, going out, building something, posting less, but better, showing, not telling. Pay attention to this. People miss what feels valuable, and value comes from scarcity, not availability. Example, if you're always online, always there, you become background noise, easy to ignore. But when your life looks full, you become intriguing again. She starts watching quietly, even if she doesn't like your posts. Now, this one is powerful. You stop over-explaining. No long paragraphs, no emotional essays, just simple, clear, calm. Why? Mystery creates attraction. Over-explaining kills it. Imagine this. She asks, "What are you doing?" You reply, "Just out." That's it. Now she wonders, out where? With who? Doing what? Her mind fills the gaps, and that pulls her in. But here's the truth. You're not playing games. You're controlling your energy. Next, emotional spikes. This is huge. People miss how you made them feel, not what you said. So when you interact, make it memorable. Tease her a little, make her laugh, then pull back. Don't overstay. Example, you have a great conversation, she's smiling, engaged. Then you say, "I gotta run, talk later," and you leave. That unfinished feeling makes her want more. Pay attention to this. Always leave on a high note, never when it's boring. Now, confidence without neediness. This is rare. You show interest, but you don't depend on it. Big difference. You're okay either way, and she feels that. Example, instead of saying, "Why aren't you replying?" you say nothing. You continue your life. Calm, unbothered. That energy is magnetic. But here's the truth. Neediness repels instantly. Now, let her invest. This changes everything. You stop doing all the work. You give her space to come closer. Ask less, observe more. Example, instead of planning everything, you say, "What do you feel like doing?" Now she invests, she participates. And when people invest, they value more. That's psychology. Pay attention to this. People miss what they build, not what they're given. Finally, detach from outcome. This is the hardest part. You stop needing her to miss you, and that's when it happens. Because now, you're free. You're not waiting, you're not checking your phone, you're living. And that energy is impossible to ignore. Imagine this. She texts you after days. You don't jump instantly. You reply calmly. No excitement overload, just steady. Now she feels it. You've changed. And that shift pulls her back in. But here's the truth. This only works if it's real. You can't fake this energy. You become it. So remember, pull back slightly. Build your life, stay mysterious. Create emotional moments. Let her invest. And detach. And watch what happens.